Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. In this video we're talking about NNDM CEO. They had their letter to their shareholders and why I think with this letter that the stock will continue to go up. I'm not a financial advisor and my videos are just for education and entertainment purposes, so please do your research before consulting my videos. Feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing. Before I get to the letter, I just want to show you guys my portfolio and an update on it. So it's currently at $1,128.99, which is down 2.94% on the day. So today, right now, they're currently down 6.58% on a day. So that will be a good buying opportunity. This was approximately $3.4 million for 2020. So that is really good. In 2019 they had $7 million in revenue, so they're heading up to their 2019 levels. Reserves of $990 million with no debt. This is really good because back in 2019 they only had $2 million in cash reserves, but now they have $990 million in cash reserves. So that's really good. In 2020, early 2020, they had loads of debt, and now they're nothing. They have no debt. So this is really good for the company. About one of their products called Dragonfly Pro. They're saying that approximately 70% of the customers have upgraded their machines. So that's really good, which boosted the revenue up. So yeah, say that their product boosted their revenue. So they had tons of sales from customers, which boosted their revenue up. So it's really good for the company. That was my whole opinion on this shareholder letter. This is really healthy for their company. They have increased revenue, increased cash, massive cash, no debt. They have massive sales from their products. So I do think this company is really good for long-term hold. 3D printing is the future. So I can invest in the RQ ETF. They currently hold 6,814,743 shares at a weight of 2.95%. Institutions are still holding Nano Dimensions, so which I do think is good to give you guys a bit of insight. So we're now going to talk about how I would invest $1,000 in Nano Dimensions. Nano Dimensions is currently down 6.28% on a day, so this would be a great buying opportunity for you. So I'll put my first $250 tomorrow when market opens, no matter the price, if it's up or down. If it's down, that'll be good for you. So the next day, if it goes to $14, put your next $250 on that. On Monday, if it drops to $12, put your next $250 on that. Then on Tuesday next week, if it drops to $10, it might not even drop that low, might not even drop as low as to $10, but we're going to be prepared for the dips, and so we don't miss out on these buying opportunities. So once you average down your cost, you're going to ride this back up to its highs. So that's what we do around here. How long should you hold it? I've said in my previous videos, you should hold this for at least 5 years because 3D printing is the future. That's just my opinion. They have a market cap of $3.25 billion, so it's still a small company. I do think they have heaps of potential. That's just my opinion on the company. So I talked about the stock and the massive news it had, and it went up from the massive news. It went up humongous, and it dropped 9% today. So this would be a good buying opportunity. So if you guys want to get into the stock, then now would be a great buying opportunity. If it drops 5% tomorrow, load up on the stock. The next stock that should be in your radar is called NANO. So I talked about the stock 1 week ago, part of my 10K portfolio journey. It's currently down 3.56%. So this would be a good buying opportunity. So if it drops 5% tomorrow, load up on the stock. This is set to double, in my opinion. I talked about the stock this week and last week, so I'll link those videos in the description if you want to check it out. That was my whole analysis on the NNDM CEO shareholder letter. They had massive revenues, they have massive cash, and they have no debt. So I do think they're going to grow in 2021 and years ahead. I did talk about 2 stocks briefly that you guys should load up on these dips. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing and finance. So that's it for me. See you guys in the next one, and happy investing.